Hello friends, welcome back to Bhosle Map Tutorials. In my previous video on drafting in CATIA V5, I introduced you how to draw a front view, left view and isometric view. And also I showed you how to change the font size and sheet setup. In today's video, I am going to introduce about the different views in drafting in CATIA V5. Different views like auxiliary view, offset view and detail view. Now I will take one more sheet. For that, go for new sheet. See friends, here one more sheet we got. If you want to change the name means just right click on this sheet and go for properties, and here you can change the name, scale and format of this page, and here you can set up the page and okay friends. Now it's a front view. Let us make it active and go for window. From here we can input a 3D figure in 2D. It's a flange cat part. Okay, and select on face. Okay, here we got the front view of this flange. Okay, if you want this projections means here only go for projection view. Here you get a side view, and here once more here bottom view. But now we don't need this, so I will delete these two. And now here is the auxiliary view. In this auxiliary view, just we have to draw one line for what part we want the auxiliary view. Okay, in this auxiliary view we will get the normal to this line. That's it, we got the auxiliary view of this. Now we don't need this, so I will delete this. Now let us see how we get the offset view, offset section view. Just make it active. From here we want a offset view. Just draw one line and double click. See friends, where you want to place it. Like this we got the offset view. Fit to page. See friends, like this we got the offset view, and place where you want. Okay, and if you want to change the font means just click here, and as I told yesterday in my previous video, you can change the font and size. Okay, and by clicking on this you can change scale and all. Already explained in my previous video. You can go and view that video. Close. Now let us see this aligned section view. This aligned section view command we normally use to get the circular sections like this only. Okay, and double click. See friends, like this we get the aligned section view. Right click, properties, and you can change the scale. See friends, like this you can get desired size shape. Okay friends, now I will show this offset section cut. Here this is same as that offset section view only, but now you will see what is the difference between this offset view and offset cut view. Just go for that and double click. Here I will press. See friends, I will change the scale for this also. See friends, difference between this section view and this section cut means, here in section cut you will get the only lines where is the part is available. Means see friends, from here to here part is available, here to here part is available, and from here to here also part is available. Then that only you got, but from in between this it is a hole, there is no part available. That's why we didn't get any lines. But in offset section view we will get the line representation, but in cut we will not get that line representation. This is the difference between this section cut and section view. That's it. Okay friends, now I will delete this and this also. Now let us go for detail views. In detail views, if a part is a complex, means their number of components is present, that time this detail view will help. And this is the active. Just draw one circle of which part you want a detail view. Okay, place it like this. For this radius you got the detail view. You can change the properties and all. Like this you can get the detail view. Now I will show the how to get the detail view by profile. Same here also, just draw the profile and double click. See friends, here you got the section view by profile, and change the properties. Otherwise you can 4 means it is a 1/2. Usually this detail view will of more scale, so that we can get clear view. This is all about different views like offset and detail views. In my next video I will show how to get this clipping view. Here it is a clipping view, and also I will show how to get this break view. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.